Hello everyone, this is Gerald Apostol at sa video na to, we are going to solve one problem about coins. So let us start. But if you are first time here in my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, or kapag hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button, and also do not forget to click the bell button para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod na videos natin. So you can use this video as a reference or review material sa mga upcoming exams mo, like entrance examination, civil service, NAPOLCOM, or any other examination out there. So let us start. Here is the problem. A cup contains 1 peso, 5 peso, and 10 peso coins. The number of 5 peso coins is twice as many as 10 peso coins. The number of 1 peso coins is 4 times the number of 10 peso coins. If the total value is 96 pesos, how many of each kind is in the cup? So, ang tanong dito is, ilan ba yung 1 peso, ilan din yung 5 peso, at ilan din yung 10 peso? If you're going to look at the problem, medyo parang ang komplikado. But if you're going to take it by small chunks, hihimay-himayin natin, makukuha natin na madali lang pala siya. So, let us start the analysis. So, yung cup daw, mayroong tatlong klase ng coins. So, we have 1 peso, we have 5 peso, and then we have 10 peso. Second sentence, the number of 5 peso coin is twice as many as 10 peso coins. So, yung 10 peso coins daw, yung bilang ng 10 peso coins, times to nun yung bilang ng 5 peso coins. So, pwede nating i-denote yung yung 10 as x, and then yung 5 peso as 2x. Next, the number of 1 peso coin is 4 times the number of 10 peso coins. Kung yung 10 peso coins natin is x, sabi dito, 4 times the number of 10 peso coin. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung 1 peso coin natin will be 4x. Now, if the total value is 96 pesos, how many of each kind is in the cup? So, pagpaplasin natin. So, 5 for 5 peso times 2x, yun yung bilang niya, plus 10 peso, tapos yung x, yun yung bilang niya, plus 4x times 1. Okay, so 1 peso, 4x yung bilang is equal to 96. And then we're going to solve. 5 times 2x will be 10x plus 10x plus 10x plus 4x is equal to 96. Add, we have 24x is equal to 96. And then divide both sides by 24. So we will have, what is 96 divided by 4? Divided by 24? That will be, we are going to cancel ito kasi 1 lang din yung sagot. So we have x is equal to 96 divided by 24 will be 4. So ibig sabihin nun, kung x natin is equal to 4, and then yung 2x natin ay equal sa dalawang x will be 8. And then we have 4x that is equal to 16. So, ibig sabihin, yung 10 peso coins natin ay 4 pieces. And then, yung 5 peso coin natin ay 8 pieces. And then, yung 1 peso coin natin ay 16 pieces. So, each kind is in the, how many of each kind is in the cup? So, ito yung sagot natin. That will be 4 pieces of 10 pesos, 8 pieces of 5 pesos, and 16 pieces